Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by narrowing the problem. Test with headphones and external speakers to see if built-in speakers fail. Check volume, mute, and app mixers, then open sound settings to confirm the correct output device. Switch it if needed. Once done, verify audio drivers in Device Manager or System Preferences and restart the audio service. This often restores sound quickly. If you haven't already, plug in a working headset now so you can compare results while proceeding. You should update or reinstall the audio driver next. Open Device Manager or the vendor's support app, uninstall the driver, then reinstall the latest version. Once installed, run the OS Audio Troubleshooter to detect conflicts and check the output format and bitrate. Mismatched formats can mute sound. If problems persist, disable audio enhancements and test in safe mode or a clean boot to rule out third-party software interference. This exposes whether background. You're almost done. Open and visually inspect speaker grills and headphone jacks for debris and clean carefully with compressed air if needed. If sound still fails, run a hardware test or play the BIOS/boot chime to confirm speaker hardware. Use an external USB or Bluetooth sound device as a workaround. If internal speakers are confirmed faulty, contact repair or order replacement parts. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, try a complete OS restore or an external USB sound card before hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.